If you haven't noticed already, Burlington High School's Varsity Field has some brand spanking new turf. And like everything else on the planet, the project met with supply chain issues.
When you're a little bit off timeline and things start to, creep in and things like that, it's always tense, because you're trying to get everything done for the kids and you don't want them to miss games and we don't want to miss practices and everybody's shuffling around. But I will say a huge debt of gratitude has to go to the coaching staff and the kids. They don't miss a beat. We brought everybody in at the beginning of the season and we sat down and had a conversation about what things that were going to occur were going to be in our way. And football practiced on the practice field every single day, didn't use the turf at all. Field hockey and boys and girls soccer in harmony together using one field over at Marshall Simons. The JV teams using the grass next door. Again, no arguments, no concern, no complaint, just doing what they needed to do. Again, this changes, the field being done changes the course for cross country. Both the boys and girls cross country teams, again, on the practice field while football's practicing and not letting that get in the way. They're just talking to each other. There was some harmony. It's nice to see that if you take the field out of the equation, that this staff and these kids get along so well that they're not willing to let something like this interfere. They keep the noise out, which was great. Everybody wants to practice on it at least one time before they play on it because you want to see how it runs and how it feels. Nobody's been on it yet. I think having conversations with coaches, everybody was like, I'd rather not my first time be on it be a game. Let's have a practice on it. So right now it is our anticipation that we will try and get the football guys out here to practice on it. I'm going to try and get the band out here tonight to be on it. I'm going to try and get field hockey on it tomorrow. And then I'm hoping that we're going to play football here at 6 o'clock against Wilmington on Friday.
From Varsity Field, I'm BNEWS reporter Tad Stefanak.